We've made Chelsea's house more energy efficient. Now we're going to make it more convenient with some smart devices, like this Wi-Fi controlled outlet. You're going to really like this because this is the outlet that you don't have to have the hub.
I know, that's so nice. When like smart home stuff first came out, you had to have a separate hub somewhere in your house.
Mm-hmm. And also, this is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant.
Don't say that out loud.
Sometimes Alexa can be a little bit too much of a good thing. She's listening a little too closely.
I'm excited that I can control it with an app, like for security. Like if we're coming home after dark and we, didn't turn the porch light on, I can log on to the app and turn it on.
The top receptacle is actually Wi-Fi enabled, so I'm able to control it with voice controls or with the app, but the bottom outlet is on all the time, which is perfect for charging my cell phone.
Alexa, turn on living room lamp. Thank you. In the kitchen, we're installing a dimmer switch that's also Wi-Fi controlled.
This dimmer is cool on its own because I can control it with a smartphone, but it's actually setting me up for something even cooler downstairs.
Okay, you got to tell me exactly what we're doing here. We're creating like a three-way switch, but we're not wiring it. So.
Yeah, so the one that you just installed in the kitchen connects to my internet, and then this one is wire-free and connects to that switch. So effectively making a three-way switch for down here.
I don't think we're gonna make it here. There's not much room. There's not much depth in there at all.
But it's pretty flat. See, that's all it is. I know.
Isn't there more to it?
This Anywhere Dimmer Companion can add a light switch to an existing light fixture without adding any wires.
That's it. Now that is pretty
cool.
slick.
Okay, we got it.
All right.
I like to consider one of my personal mottos is to work smarter, not harder, and I'm so glad that our house is working smarter for us. We have smart technology, but also the energy efficiency of new windows, and I hope the technology of today never gets old. It's so exciting that you can control things just by talking out loud and that you're able to control them from your phone when you're not at home. Brings a lot of peace of mind for security. I'm able to turn on lights when we're not home.